Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today we will take a look at Japanese yen mostly and briefly on the New Zealand dollar. So on the Japanese yen, guys, right now many people ask the question about what is going on intraday charts. Could we treat it as the hand shoulders pattern that we have talked about a couple days ago or not? So I think that currently it's a bit early to talk on the downward reversal. It seems that market is ready to show minor upward continuation before it will start to form the pattern that we have discussed on the 4-hour time frame chart. From the daily chart perspective and from the point of view of this whole setup that we have here, it actually doesn't matter where a market will turn down, either at this point or it climbs slightly higher and turning down around 1350 area, because while market stands inside of this swing, the butterfly, it's better to get a reversal as high and close to this point as possible, because actually, guys, this is the invalidation point of our setup. Because as we have discussed previously, if market will break it up, it will mean that price will erase all this construction that we have with the downward continuation. But meantime, if market stands inside of this swing, this construction is valid, and next destination point that we're watching here is 10650 approximately. So you can see this is the 127 extension of the butterfly, and let's measure 618 support, that low to this top, 618 fib level. Now let's turn to the intraday charts. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, I think that we have something that looks like more of bullish flag pattern rather than some reversal pattern right now. And this reminds me some consolidation before another leg up, and somewhere around 112.25 probably reversal is possible. So here we could get some kind of the ABCD pattern here, maybe something of that sort, because all this price action and behavior inside of this consolidation doesn't look like a reversal. So reversal usually looks something of that sort, fast acceleration down starting, but here we do not see any kind of this action. So it's mostly some kind of a tight consolidation. Interesting to see whether we have some ABCD patterns here. Well, not much. So why this actually price action to the 112.25 is possible? Because previously, guys, if you remember, we have talked on this pattern and we said this some kind of the double bottom. It becomes the part of the larger reverse head and shoulders pattern, but at the same time this is also separate double bottom pattern. And the target of the double bottom is the distance between the bottom counted to the neckline, okay, and in point of the breakout counted to the upside. So you can see it totally corresponds to double size of the A, B, C bottom D pattern that is based on the bottoms of this pattern. So it's approximately, shortly speaking, the market should move to the upside distance equal to the depth of the double bottom. So it's very, very simple. So, and this target stands here. The market hasn't quite reached it. Combining this untouched target and the manner in what price action right now behaves makes me think that probably we could get another leg up here. And from that point, probably, if our hand shoulder suggestion is correct, here market should start to form right shoulder. That's what we'll be watching for. That's why for taking the short position that we have discussed previously, we probably should wait for another minor leg up here. So that's what we see right now. Also, if you'll take a look at the picture that we have drawn recently, this head and shoulders, you can see that here we have absolutely different price behavior. So I do not see currently this shape, so it's absolutely no harmony with this price behavior. And it mostly reminds me this kind of picture. So here we have also hourly chart. We have the bullish divergence with the MACD. It's hidden divergence that suggests further upward action. And currently, I still think that it's too early to talk on the going short yet. So it's difficult to call it as the head and shoulders pattern right now here. Maybe if market will start move down more aggressively, it will change the shape here, and maybe we will get the head and shoulders, but not yet, guys. Definitely, we can't draw the line in this manner. It will be too steep and no harmony at all in this pattern. I mostly think that we need to wait either another leg up, as we said on the 4-hour time frame chart, or some more clear hints on the appearing of some reversal pattern, head and shoulders pattern here in the hourly chart. It means that it's a bit too early to talk on the going short on the Japanese yen. Probably we should wait a bit more, and maybe on the next week we'll get our signal. Now, just brief look on the New Zealand dollar. I will show you only the 4-hour time frame chart. Recall that previously we have discussed the possible double repo sale pattern. But right now, situation looks so that market probably will form another leg up, because this price behavior already has really wide relation to the double repo pattern that we have discussed. So, and overall price action suggests another leg up. It seems that if even some strong retracement will start, it should start somewhere from the 73.50 area. So as soon as market will complete this butterfly, and probably this butterfly could be used for making an attempt to go in short. At least this will be the pattern on our back that suggests some minor retracement. Minor response to the butterfly will let us to move up to the break-even. So on the New Zealand dollar as well, it's a bit early to talk on the going short, so probably we need to wait a bit more when the market will complete this reversal pattern. At least right now we see potential pattern that could be formed here, and that could be used for taking the trade. So that being said, as you can see, as on the Japanese yen and the New Zealand dollar, we probably need to wait a bit more before we'll get the final background for the trading.